yellow 67.
Okay.
You have a note on the windshield.
Yes.
Okay. I have to get this ready.
Yeah, the carburetor's leaking.
Okay, so the carburetor, and you want to do something maybe with the seats, you say.
Yeah, I think we should tighten up the seats.
Okay.
Look down.
All right. So what's wrong with the car?
The bowl is leaking.
It's the bowl, it's not the throttle bushing.
Pretty sure it's the bowl. Yeah.
All right, so what do you want to do? Replace it or kit it? What do you want to do?
Nah, I'll take it apart and put gaskets in it.
Okay. Larry, come over here and look at this engine for a second. Go ahead and scan this engine for a second. This is a very rare 67. I bought this from the original owner back in the day, way back in the day, back in the 80s, in fact. Here, right here in Santa Ana, California. This is a 400 factory air, every option, automatic, TriPower with factory air, leather, and have a look at those wheels, Larry. Those are factory original aluminum bolt-on wheels. Kelsey Hayes original. This car is supposedly, from all the books, Nolan Adams' book and whatnot, one of 16 cars built with a California smog pump, TriPower, factory air, and an automatic. One more key point about this car, okay? Look where the license plate is. They moved the license plate on the left-hand side out of the center to let airflow get into the radiator through the condenser, because these cars would overheat back in the day. Okay, so carburetor, seats, and let's get this thing running.
Tune it up, dial it in.
Dial it in. I got somebody who wants to come in and see this car.
All right, sounds good.
All right,
All right, talk to you later.
we'll meet again tomorrow.
Okay.
Goodbye. All right, we're signing off from Corvette Mike here in Anaheim. That was Chad, service manager for 40 years, believe it or not. Corvette Mike celebrating 42 years in business last month, January 2024. Signing off, have a great day.